This is a quick demonstration of how to set Google Chrome as your default browser. Typically, when you click a link of any sort on your PC, it will open in Internet Explorer, and many of our systems work well in Internet Explorer, and many of the current tools, web tools and sites don't, and it's recommended that you use a browser such as Firefox or Google Chrome. So you can see that I've clicked a link here and it's opened in Internet Explorer. To change that, just open Google Chrome and you'll see three little dots here on the right, top right, which you can click and scroll down to the settings menu and scroll down until you see default browser. Make Google Chrome the default browser. Click make default. It will open the computer settings and it will show you the default apps set for certain things on your machine. And you'll see Internet Explorer. Here is the default browser. So if you click that, you can then change it to Google Chrome. And that's it. Next time I go and click a link, it should open in Google Chrome. And you'll find that every time you actually log off and shut down, it will reset Internet Explorer as your default browser. So it's something that you'll have to do and you'll get to learn very quickly.